Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to download and install the Nvidia app in 2026. But first guys, if you want, you can go down on this video in the comment section and click on the first comment that I pinned. This will bring you to my Fiverr, and here you can get a YouTube logo and banner or a modern minimalist YouTube logo and banner for your YouTube channel. But now back to the video. Okay, so then I'm simply going to start by typing Nvidia. Now there you go, it will be the first result. Now of course make sure that you're going to be on nvidia.com, the official website. And so it's immediately going to bring you to the Nvidia app tab, as you can also see up here, in case you are searching for it as well. And we directly have the option to do download now, which is what we are going to click. As you can see, it will start up here in the right corner. If it's done, it will appear like this. Now it is going to be a .exe file, so I can also immediately execute it, so open it. But you can alternatively also go to show in folder, where it will simply go to your downloads, as you can see. Now there's an alternative way to download the Nvidia app. If you go down to search, you simply want to type Microsoft Store, and then you click on it. Then you want to go up here and type Nvidia. And there you go, we have also the Nvidia app. You can simply click on it, and here you can click install. That way you can also get it, but through the Microsoft Store. So just know that that is also an option, which is also slightly quicker than doing it through the official website. But this is of course entirely up to you if you want to do it like this. But anyways, if you downloaded it through the website, all you have to do here is just double click on the application.exe. Here Windows is going to ask you permission, you say yes. As you can see, it starts installing. Click agree and continue. Once again, it's preparing the installation. Okay, this step is pretty important. You're going to have the choice between Game Ready Driver and Nvidia Studio Driver. So if you're going to use the Nvidia app more for gaming, obviously we'll go for this one. And the Creators one is more if you're going to do a variety of things. If you're going to use it for more casual things. Otherwise, if you're just a gamer, click here. I'm going to do next. Now this depends if you want it or not. It's actually going to optimize settings for you for certain games. Nvidia thinks are the best for the game in question. If you don't want that, you can just turn this off and this will be turning on. So that's entirely up to you. Then click next again. This is also pretty interesting, the Nvidia Overlay. So this is, as it says, it can actually capture video. So you can actually use shadow play to record your screen. Also take screenshots. Once again, of course, graphic settings and performance. And you can use Alt-Z to actually show that Nvidia Overlay. And I can advise you this, if you're gaming and you take screenshots or you use like recording, I could definitely advise you to select this as well. Once again, make sure that this is enabled up here in that case. And you can click next. And these rewards, just in case you have a reward already ready to go that you can claim, go ahead and do that to log in and redeem. And I'm just going to do skip to app. And as you can see here, we are in the layout of the Nvidia application. And so you can also up here in the right corner log in if you have an account. That's entirely up to you as well. And all of the other options, of course, that are available within the Nvidia application here as well. But I'll go over that in more detail in the next video. And so you can go ahead and check that one out if you want to, up here in the right corner or down in the description below. Once again, where I'll go over more in detail about features within the Nvidia app, if you want to, of course. And the last thing I wanted to mention, if I minimize this, as you can see, it created already a desktop shortcut for itself. But if you don't have that yet, you can go to search, type Nvidia app. You can right click on it. You can pin to start, so it will be right here and start. Pin to taskbar, it can be down here, which you can also do like this. So that is of course also in case you want to have it as on your desktop, on the taskbar, on start, to have that Nvidia shortcut so that the accessibility is a bit easier. But it's of course entirely up to you. It's optional. In any case, that's how you download the latest Nvidia app. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, would be really nice. Subscribe, also be really nice. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.